Hello everyone, hope you have a lovely day. And yeah, 17 April 2024. And yeah, tomorrow I will take one day off, and it's a holiday. Independence in Zimbabwe. That's Independence Day. Everyone will be celebrating how we get our freedom in our country. That's a national event, so I have to support. So I won't be fixing anything tomorrow. So let's clear some of the jobs which we have here, so that at least I'll go to off with less jobs left to be repaired on the day after, that is Friday. So we have this power pack. This power pack is coming from the customer, and what the customer said the power pack just went off. No output, no any sign of life. This is a Dell power pack. It's 19.5 volts, 6.7 amps. The customer explained the issue. He tried to look on the market. There's nothing that he found about this Dell charger. Okay? And you know the story about Dell charger. You can use the universal charger. The laptop will come on, but it won't charge. You can use an HP charger, still it will come on, but it won't charge, because there's a charger ID pin here which is communicating with the BQ chip that this is the right charger, this is the wrong charger. So you can't fool Dell laptops like to use an universal charger. It won't work. Yeah, the laptop will come on, but definitely it won't charge. So that's the story with this power pack. So you have one option here, either to fix this or will fail. So we have the AC 211 volts, which I believe is fine. So if I plug this power pack here, we must have some light here, and there's no light. That's a bad sign. That means there's no output there. Because if there was output, there was going to be light here, which indicates that the charger is alive. So I'll unplug here. How do I get inside this power pack? That is another issue. How do I get inside this power pack? Like usual, let's use the alcohol. We'll spray the power pack just to loosen up the bond. Okay, that's fine. That's enough. We just want to loosen the strength of the covers. Now we can try to get inside this. Oh, it's proper solid. It's proper solid, trust me. Why is it solid like this? Why is it solid like this? Okay. We don't want to damage components inside. So whatever we are doing here, I have to be careful. We are now inside the power pack. That's the power pack. So we have to see what's going on here. This is a switching power supply, but I can't see anything here. So why the power pack is not working? That's a good question. It's stuck with some, I don't know, it's either it's glue or whatever you call it. Huh? So what you can do, diode mode, this is just a switching power supply. This is just a switching power supply. We have AC in here. Or next to the AC, we have live neutral. And the black wire, which is the earth. And here we have a black thing underneath this. That's a fuse. The black thing is the fuse. This one, that's a fuse. So I'll check the fuse first. And the fuse is good. If the fuse is good, that means probably let's check out this metal thing, the shield. This metal shield here. Okay. So this charger is working with the high amperage, 6.7 amps. So what is most likely to die here? The MOSFET. Yeah, we can find a bad MOSFET. But if the fuse is good, I don't think we have a problem with the MOSFET. I don't think we have problem with MOSFETs. Because in most cases the MOSFET is dying after the fuse has gone. Okay. So the MOSFET is, the fuse is good. The next step, we need to check the rectifier bridge. The bridge rectifier. We have 4 pins here for the bridge rectifier. I think we can check. We can check. Let's check the bridge rectifier. and the rectifier is good. Okay, now if the rectifier is good, I think I just see the problem. Let's check the secondary. Do you have any shorted output? Plus, minus? No. We don't have shorted output. We don't have shorted output. So the problem is here. Let's check what voltage do we have on the big capacitor. Volts. So the big capacitor just exploded. Check this capacitor. This capacitor is gone. The high voltage, they are 300 something volts. That is the problem here. Yeah, this board is some kind of stuck. This makes my job too hard now. Because in order to desolder the capacitor, I have to take out this glue. And you should be careful here, because you can take out other components by mistake. Why do they do this? Just to make my job hard. Just to complicate everything. Because I don't understand why. So let's check out the capacitor. Let's check out the capacitor. You see the capacitor? This capacitor is gone. So I need like a proper capacitor here. This is 420 volts, 120 micro. I'm opening veins with that is the desoldering pump. So now we need the replacement of that capacitor. Where can I get replacement of that capacitor? Let me look for replacement, then I'll come back. Let's see now. I found another same value capacitor here. This one is brown. You can see the values 420, 120. Let's take out this and I'll show you. Check here. The values are the same. You see? 120 micro, 420. So let's replace the capacitor. Let's replace the capacitor. Yeah, the marked, we can see this black line. This is the negative. Then the other side is the positive. I don't believe that's the only problem with this power pack. Simply because it's Wednesday. Just to replace the big cap. Just to replace the big capacitor. I don't want to waste time. Let's test. Let's test. If we're seeing light there, it means our problem is fixed. Let's play with electricity. And we have light. You see the light? Let's check the output. So that was a big capacitor which was blown up. We are safe. Let's check the output voltage. Check on the screen, 19.65. So the charge is fixed. Okay? So I would say, let's put back all together. That's all what you need to do. Let's discharge the charger. Just like this. Let's put this metal shield the way we took it. Supposed to be. So you see, that's how repairs they look like. It's not always the case that you have to do like hard jobs. No, sometimes it's easy. Okay. Now we have to put it like this. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. So now if we have this kind of charger, the first thing that we have to check the basics. Check the basics before you jump into conclusion. Check the basics. I think now is that moment to play with hot glue. Is that moment to play with hot glue. Let's just stick this with hot glue and then we'll move to the next job. Then the other side. We want this charger to have strong connection like before. Let me look for rubber bands. We'll remove these rubber bands after the glue has dried up. I'm trying to hurry up because time is not on my side. I have so many things to fix. I have so many things to fix. Let's do the final test. Plug in the AC cable and we have light. You can see this blue light. That means our charger is now working. Our charger is now working. Check on the screen. 19.65. And what was the problem? That was the problem. You can see this big capacitor. This is some kind of pouched blown up capacitor. It's no longer have the capacity to hold the charge. So you can't have output there. That's how electrolyte capacitor are dying when you're switching power supply. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And see you on the next one. Bye.